Welcome to ProStitcher Tutorials. Today we're going to walk through how to update your ProStitcher software. This is for versions 537 and higher, Premium and Connect, for both light and premium hardware systems. First, you go to ProStitcher.com. You will need to log into the ProStitcher website. It's free to register. So if you just go here to sign in, click on that. If you haven't set up an account, take a moment to register. If you're already registered, enter your username, your password, and you can log in. Once you're logged in, you can go to Software and choose Software Updates to choose the update you'd like to download. There are many different updates to choose from. The first one is Connect. This is the most current version. There is a beta, which is a testing version. Premium is for versions 595 and lower. Light is for previous versions before the 700s. Premium and Light Beta. This is for a beta that is only for Premium and Light users. This is not Connect. And then we have Standard and Classic for people who are still using those previous systems. I will walk you through how to do this with the most current version. First, we're going to choose just the PS Connect here. If you need to, you can check out and find out which tablet you have. Be sure to take a moment to read through the latest features. Then I will come down and select the latest version. If I click here, it opens up that version. We always refer to the versions by the last three numbers here. If I scroll down a little bit, this is the button I click on to download the update. But I want to show you that if you scroll down and read through, we have installation improvements, connectivity improvements, program improvements, and lots of other really great information. And I want to point out this one very specifically, known issues and tips. This is where we list any known issues that we have and a possible workaround. So be sure to pay attention to those known issues there. To download the software, I simply click on this large logo. And it takes a moment, and then depending on your internet speed, it will pop up on your screen here in your downloads folder, usually. If everything looks okay, and that is the folder you want to save it in, you click Save. That version will save. Next, you want to open your File Explorer. Then I will go to my Downloads folder. So find your Downloads folder, and you'll find this zipped file right here. I want to select it, and then up here on this bar, I'm going to click on the Extract All folder. That will extract these items. Now at this point, I can choose to extract just to my computer, or if I wanted to, I could go ahead and put a USB in my computer and extract to the USB. I'm going to just extract to my Downloads folder. So we'll let that go ahead and happen there. Once the file has finished downloading, it will be in the location you chose. I chose to download mine into extract it into my Downloads folder. It's right here, ready to go. I'm going to put a USB into my computer, and then I will have the option now of transferring this folder to the USB on my computer. Right here's the USB. Mine is in the D drive. Yours may be a different letter, but you can look through and find it. I will go to this folder, open this up, and then I want to copy both of these items into my USB. So I'll select one, and I can just drag it and copy it. And then I can select the second one and drag it and copy it, or you can select both of them together. This may take a couple of minutes to transfer to the USB. Once the file has finished transferring, I always like to go through and check and make sure that that version right there, that 737, and the pre-install, make sure that they are both on my USB stick. At this point, I want to go ahead and safely eject, so I'll select this button right here at the top, my USB, and I'll take it to my Pro Stitcher and update on my tablet. So let's go ahead and take this there. To run the update, I will select File tab, then Update here on the ribbon. Pro Stitcher knows to automatically search for a file on a USB that is the correct format for an update. And as you can see here, I've got my pre-install and my update. I always want to run pre-install first, so I will select this pre-install and then select Run. This updater window will load. I can double check here what version I'm starting from and what version I'm going to be going to, and then I will click the Start button down here. This may take a few minutes. You may get some prompts like this. Just go ahead and click OK. Once that installation is complete, go ahead and click Close. At this point, your tablet will automatically restart, and the Pro Stitcher software will launch again. Once Pro Stitcher has launched and started up again, we need to run the update. So we're just going to go through those same steps again. So we're going to start by selecting the File tab, then Update on the ribbon. And this time I will select this update file and then select Run. If you receive any kind of a warning like this, just go ahead and tell your computer that yes, you want it to run. Once again, you'll come to the updater screen. Once again, select the Start button and then Confirm. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and click on the Close button. Once again, the software is going to automatically relaunch itself. But at this point, this is a really important step you want to make sure that you don't skip. You need to go to File tab and then Shut Down and Shut Down. You want to be sure and shut down your tablet and then turn off your machine. Leave it off for 5 to 10 minutes. This will completely clear everything and reset your motors, your machine, everything. Be sure to unplug from the wall during this time. Once that's completed, go ahead, plug your machine back in, then turn your machine on first, turn your tablet on, and you are ready to start using the latest version of Pro Stitcher that you've installed.